Welcome to the review, unboxing and presentation of the Fox 40 electronic whistle. This product comes in this package. It has 3 tones and a very powerful sound of 125 decibels. It also comes with a wrist loop lanyard, and also it has included a 9-volt battery, so it will have everything you need to use it. It represents an hygienic solution for multiple users. It has a loud and clear, consistent sound. You can aim the sound exactly where you want it to be, and you can use it in all the temperatures and environments. It's very easy to operate, and if you are a referee or a sports teacher, this really will ease a lot your work. The package is really simple to open. You do not need to cut anything. You simply open it like this. Inside we have the 9-volt battery, which is wrapped in a plastic. It's really nice. And the electronic whistle. Let's see. This is the electronic whistle. Right here we see the button. Right now it's on 0, so it's turned off. And then you can select the first tone, the second one, and the third. I will show you right away exactly how each of them sound. This is the rubber button. And right here on the back you open it in order to insert the 9-volt battery. You simply pull down this button, and after that you pull up this cap. There we go. You just need to squeeze it a bit from the sides and pull it up. Here you have to insert the 9-volt battery, which I will do now. So you press those without any worries and insert the battery right here. And then just put this cap back on. Press on it and remember to close the cap. And now the whistle is ready to be used. So in the first tone, let's see. Number 1. Just be prepared and don't wear any headphones because it's really loud. It sounds like this on 1. On the tone number 2, right there, it sounds like this. And on the last one, the third tone, is the sound closest to a normal whistle, and it goes like this. As I told you, it's really powerful, and it is really worth buying if you really use a whistle on a daily basis. If you would like to purchase this electronic whistle, please consider using the Amazon links in the description of the video. For the US residents, you will be able to find it in my influencer Amazon link, and also for the international buyers in the links of Amazon from the other countries. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and take care.